Welcome to a club for people who love good movies. Use the links in the description to navigate the list of films quickly.
Dunkirk, evacuation of Allied soldiers from Belgium, the British Empire, Canada and France, who were cut off and surrounded by the German army from the beaches and harbor of Dunkirk, France. Missing You, a girl who lost her father to a serial killer. A detective and the killer are intertwined in the chaotic relationship and are met with an unprecedented series of events. Ghostland, a mother of two inherits a home from her aunt. On the first night in the new home, she is confronted with murderous intruders and fight for her daughter's lives. 16 years later, the daughters reunite at the house, and that is when things get strange.
Insidious. Parents take drastic measures when it seems their new home is haunted and their comatose son is possessed by a malevolent entity. Sinister. True crime writer Alison Oswald is in a slump. He hasn't had a bestseller in more than 10 years and is becoming increasingly desperate for a hit. So when he discovers the existence of a snuff film showing the death of a family, he vows to solve the mystery. He moves his own family into the victim's home and gets to work. However, when old film footage and other clues hint at the presence of a supernatural force, Alison learns that living in the house may be fatal. The Sixth Sense. Young cold seer Haley Joel Osment is haunted by a dark secret. He is visited by ghosts. Cole is frightened by visitations from those with unresolved problems who appear from the shadows. He is too afraid to tell anyone about his anguish, except child psychologist Dr. Malcolm Crowe, Bruce Willis. As Dr. Crowe tries to uncover the truth about Cole's supernatural abilities, the consequences for client and therapist are a jolt that awakens them both to something unexplainable. 1408. Mike Enslin is a successful author who enjoys worldwide acclaim debunking supernatural phenomena before he checks into the Dolphin Hotel that is. Ignoring the warnings of the hotel manager, he learns the meaning of real terror when he spends the night in a reputedly haunted room. Paranormal Activity. Soon after moving into a suburban tract home, Katie and Mika become increasingly disturbed by what appears to be a supernatural presence. Hoping to capture evidence of it on film, they set up video cameras in the house but are not prepared for the terrifying events that follow. The Conjuring. In 1970, paranormal investigators and demonologists Lauren and Ed Warren are summoned to the home of Carolyn and Roger Perron. The parents and their 5 daughters have recently moved into a secluded farmhouse where a supernatural presence has made itself known. Though the manifestations are relatively benign at first, events soon escalate in horrifying fashion, especially after the Warrens discover their house is